One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well. I've been lost underneath its spell, just for now, bid to you farewell. Dig my heels in, do my best, try to forget all the rest, remember my good intentions. Caught up in the whirlwind of, forgot about my faith in love, to make the whole thing disappear. I've been lost, the fog's begun to clear, just for now, I'll patiently wait here. If every note is my last, light a fire, strike a match. Tomorrow comes, my voice is lost, at least I'll have had one more song. One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. This time around. This time. This time around. Wide awake, smiling still in my bed, the running scenes of last night through my head. I found myself in your home, said hello, put my name in your phone. Lost my friends, I first stayed, walked to Pier 66. My lips, your lips, my heart beating right out my chest. When I held you, I had something that I knew I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. I count on me, flew to deep Mexico for a week, you and me all alone. Till forever I had something that I knew I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Getting late, should I take you home? But you said, oh babe, we got places to go. By the way that you're holding me close, I think that you know I need you so. Oh, oh, oh. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. You said, baby, your love so bad. Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know.
Okay. Pull up at your job, let me show you the biz. Your ex nigga, he a lame, tell that boy to quit. Yep, on the pick, I got a pound to pick. The vibration is lit, I gotta get in the mix. She stay licking her lips, and she switching her hips. I gotta get a taste, I cannot get away.
I can't shake it just like a dog in the heat. This feeling of mine probably resides deep as the sea. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, soon as the sun coming up. Drop my bags at the front door, screaming like what the fuck. I'm needing you now, not giving up now. Treat you like Valentine, taking this heart of mine for granted. Said we was never going down, now I'm singing on the Titanic. She said it's no need to panic, but